Yo, what's up, people? This your boy Pete Ross, and we are back in the building with another video. Yo, check this out. Right now, we gonna be unboxing that core timepiece, okay? Shout out to Ross for sending me this. We're gonna go ahead and unbox this baby and see what's up with it, yo. Let's get into it. Yo, what's up, people? This your boy Pete Ross in the building. And look, we slowly pulling up on it. Look at it, there it is right there. There it is. There it is, y'all. Rolex! We slow motion out here in these streets. You know what I'm saying? But there it is. Look at that. All right, yo, let's get into this. Go ahead and unbox this joint right quick. Know what I mean? Check it out. Core timepieces. Are you sharpened? As we all know, their watches are based on the 7 deadly sins: wrath, gluttony, envy, greed, sloth, pride, and lust. You know what I mean? You know, want to take control of your sins? It's your freedom to choose which sin to embrace or rebel against. You know what I mean? So let's get into it, yo. Here we go. Got this nice little NATO strap, but you know what? That ain't what y'all here for, right? That is not what y'all are here for. Y'all are here for this right here. Check that out. That's dope. That's dope. It got some weight to it too. You know what I mean? It has the ever so popular SoCal NH36 automatic movement, 42 millimeters. 316L stainless steel PVD matte black case, sapphire crystal, 300 meters of water resistance, 22 millimeter lug width, 120 click rotating PVD black matte bezel with blue Lumibright. Okay. 7 millimeter screw down crown. There's 316 stainless steel PVD matte black bracelet with the flip clasp, and again it comes with this nylon NATO strap, and the nylon travel case, right? You know. So overall, let's right quick take a look at the clasp. That is nice. That is nice as heck. You know what I mean? Sapphire crystal. Let's listen to that bezel action right quick. Not bad at all. All right, do we got any wiggle room? None. A little bit of play, not a lot. You know what I mean, not a lot. Yo, what's up, people? This your boy Pete Ross back in the building, and if you're looking for a dope VPN, check out NordVPN Plus anti-malware protection, okay? I'll leave my affiliate link down in the description for y'all to check that out. Enjoy threat protection, block trackers and malware. Get 2 years of reliable VPN service for $3.29 a month. Get into it, y'all. Peace. This is it, the core automatic, you know what I mean? Let's try him on the wrist right quick. And there he is on the wrist, core automatic. You know what I'm saying? I'm really feeling this black though. I like that, not bad at all. You know what I mean? So yo, this your boy Pete Ross. This is the unboxing of the core automatic NH36 SoCal movement in it. You know what I mean? Let's get into it, y'all. Peace. This your boy Pete Ross, and I'm out.